Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is the Maniology Holiday Nail Art Part 2. I'm going to show you some Argyle stamping, some reverse stamping, so if this interests you, just keep on watching. So in this video, I am going to use the Grimm's Nightfall collection. Most of the colors, maybe not all of them, and I am going to use the Frozen, which is that pearl white, candy apple red, and also the gold rush. And the stamping plates that I chose for this video will be all about Argyle M268, which looks like these images are deeply etched, so it should be easy to pick the image up. And I'm also going to use Snowy Forest Hung with Care M171, and I'm going to do some reverse stamping with this plate. So with this plate, I'm going to do 5 designs and I'm just going to let you watch what I do. And I am stamping over top of gel polish, just random colors. So if you have gel polish at home, this is really easy to do. I like to put a top coat on top of my gel polish, cure, and then do my stamping, do the layering if it's a layering look I want to do. And I find that if I make any mistakes, it's very easy to fix. Okay, I think this one is my favorite. Glass Slipper is a sheer stamping polish, but putting it over top of an electric blue or a medium blue just looks so gorgeous. Now this one I decided not to keep, but I wanted to show you this anyway because it was so easy to stamp with these sheer polishes. This is a great look if you want something really subtle for the holiday season. And with this stamping polish, it's almost like a color shifting depending on how the light hits it. It's just a different shade. I ended up going with the Gold Rush on top of my burgundy color, and I kind of like this look better. Just the gold is more bold, and I actually like bolder looks for the holidays, so I thought this one was quite pretty. And just like that, we have 4 very fun, festive Argyle designs for the Christmas season. A little bit of layering. And if you're as busy as I am around the holiday season, doing something really quick and simple added onto a nail is just a really nice touch, and it doesn't take that long. So because I did stamp on top of cured gel polish, I did go in with my Magic Gels Tackless Hyper Shine to top coat the design, and I find that you get no pitting, no pullback. It's a really nice top coat if you're doing a gel polish manicure. Okay, and now I'm going to take the Snowy Forest Hung with Care stamping plate. I wanted to do a cohesive design, but it didn't really work out that way, so I ended up just doing whatever came into my head. I love gold on top of a forest green. I think that looks so stunning for Christmas time. So again, I'm just going to let you watch this part, and I will pipe in when I think that there's something interesting to tell you. Okay, so here is where I'm going to do some reverse stamping. I didn't know what this was. You stamp an image onto your stamper and then fill it in with a color like I'm doing here. I'm using the candy apple. And I didn't know if this would work or not because I thought the image might dry. The green part of the image might dry rather quickly, but it didn't. One thing I will mention though is when you're filling in with a color, do it sparingly because it can mush the image when you're pressing it down, but an easy fix for that is just to go over it, and you'll see how I did. I kind of touched it up with some green. And this part, I thought, okay, let's just fill in these negative spaces here with the candy apple, and I actually like the reverse stamping better. So here, yes, I'm just kind of filling in where the red kind of mushed into the green. Let that dry before you put your top coat on. So for the next design, I'm going to do reverse stamping again. I kind of liked how this turned out. It surprised me. You need to trust the process. I was scared to put the color that it would show through the outline of the gold, but it turned out really, really well. The only thing is that this can be a tedious process. So if you're doing this on a set of nails and time is not on your side, I would just stamp with one color and call it a day. And for the last nail, I thought I would finish it off with some more gold and green. I really like that combination, as I mentioned earlier, and add some snowflakes, put some dots on there, and I think that is a really nice, simple, easy design that can give your nails a really nice festive look. And here's the 4 designs we just did. Kind of cool. Like, I went out of my comfort zone with that reverse stamping. And I think the more I do that technique, the better my designs are going to look. I actually didn't know reverse stamping was a thing until I watched a lot of the tutorials on the Maniology YouTube channel, and what a really neat concept. It kind of will just expand your artistic skills, and like I said earlier, the more you do it, the better your designs will get, and I think the faster you'll get as well. And then the possibilities are endless with what you can create. So yeah, I am really, really impressed. So don't forget, I do have a discount code for all of you, Auralite 10 at Maniology.com. This is good for any of your purchases for 10% off, and you don't get to use it just once, but as many times as you like, and it'll help you save some money on your purchases. And you don't have to wait for me to upload a Maniology video either. You can use this code anytime. Speaking of Maniology videos, there will be a part 3. I have 2 more plates I want to show you. I'm going to do something a little different, so you'll have to stay tuned for that video. I'm just not too sure when that one's going to go up because I do have a Black Friday nail mail haul to do and I'm running out of time. I need to get so much done before Christmas. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below. I do read each and every comment. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and we will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!